Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I have another Rayo's video review. I'm gonna review Rayo's Chicken Parmesan Dinner. It's Rayo's made for home. Chicken Parmesan, breaded chicken with marinara sauce and mozzarella over pasta. Sounds delicious. Again, the instructions for the oven: preheat to 400, bake for 35 to 40 minutes. I will do that. You get your nutrition facts. It says serving size, 1 serving per container, 340 calories, total fat 15%, saturated fat 3 grams, trans fat 0, cholesterol 75 milligrams, carbohydrate 32 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, sugars 5 grams, protein 21 grams. So now that we know all the details, let's open it and see what it looks like before we bake it. Again, I'm not really impressed by the size of this thing. It's a little small, but so far Rayo's delivered on taste, so I will take the taste over size. It's a decent size. I mean, it's lunch, so we'll see how it holds up. Because I make a mean chicken parm, so we see if it's better than mine. All right, here's the chicken parm. It looks like it has a little spaghetti tomato sauce on the bottom of it. Give it a closer look. This is basically what it looks like. 2 pieces of chicken with some pasta on the underneath. It smells good. It smells like chicken parm, so take a few bites and let you know what I think of it. Alright, let's take a bite out of this chicken here. Here's the chicken. Pretty good. It's not bad. Let's try some of this pasta. Now, it is a frozen meal we're reviewing, so it doesn't taste frozen. I think it needs more sauce. It's kind of light on the sauce. Chicken tastes pretty good. But again, a little more sauce would be good. A little more sauce on the pasta as well. Uh, 3.5 stars out of 5. If you know how to make chicken parm, make it yourself. It's way better than this. Or watch my chicken parm video. I have a great chicken parm sandwich video. Make it, do what I do in the video, make it yourself. It's delicious. I'll make a chicken parm dinner video as well, just to compare it to this, but I know it's going to be way better. 3.5 out of 5 stars. If you worked 8 hours and you're just tired and you don't feel like cooking, you can have one of these. It's not bad. But it's not going to be great. It's just something you eat and that's it. All right, that's all I got for today, guys. I think tomorrow I have Rayo's lasagna, so I think that's gonna wrap up my Rayo series for right now, until they come up with something else. If you want to eat at real Rayo's restaurants, there's one in New York, one in Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas, and one in LA. So you can try real food. But if you're too far from those three cities, you can always go Rayo's Frozen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.